Arthur Avenue is the real Little Italy in New York. Don't get fooled by the tourist Little Italy, which is all restaurants. This is where you find real Italian, find real food. Not as many restaurants, but you just find a lot of really good food. So people are coming down to Arthur Avenue. What should they know, Joe? You know this place better than I do.
Tutte cose in italiano. E cosa fai quando somebody andare qui? Sempre parla italiano con tutto. I just said you pretend you're Italian when you come down here, and then you just talk Italian or pretend you're Italian, and people like you. That's what I said. Oh, here we are.
There we are.
Donia Bakery, home of the olive bread. Olives in every bite.
So my sister Lori just reminded me, my grandfather used to come home with bags like this. They would be full of bread.
But I must have been short.
Well, yeah, they were our height back then.
She's gonna get an olive bread. Look, it's the best you've ever had.
You have to have it.
You have to taste it. It's the best ever.
You have to.
No, it's the best here.
She's been talking about this olive bread since before we came up here. So apparently this olive bread's really good.
It's so good.
It's so good.
My sister-in-law wanted to have them shipped to Virginia, to DC for a wedding.
How do you know if we're in the frame? You can't see yourself.
I've been doing this for 30 years.
I was gonna say, he's been doing this.
I have a pretty good
Does
idea.
it go wide? So
Okay,
you're not
I gotta
only
go
seeing
pay.
just my nose?
Now this is your nose.
Okay.
Oh my God! Look at this bread. Look at that. That's the craziest. That's olive bread. Are you kidding me?
So good.
So good.
Okay. Here we go. Olive. It's like literally olive bread.
It is.
Yeah.
It's. I
mean, you only get it here.
somewhere.
Oh my God.
Isn't that amazing?
What do you think? Oh my God.
So good, and it's still warm.
It's still warm. It's so good. So you weren't lying. The olive bread did hold up to its height.
I'm
The
telling
olive bread
you.
is the best.
I'm telling you, I wouldn't say that. Here's
Telling
the
you.
pork store where.
My sister. Yeah, she's very New York. You can tell we're not related.
This is tripe, which Poppy loved.
Oh, tripe.
It's so strange.
I don't know how you people eat tripe.
I don't eat it.
If you don't know what tripe is, just look it up.
This is for you.
This is so Joe. He's breaking off branches of grape for everybody. So this is what Joe does. He just starts buying food.
Turn the hat around.
Turn the hat around. Where are we? Oh,
It's my eating mode now.
We're in Arthur Avenue. Where are we, Joe? We're inside a little
Siamo
market.
qui, Arthur Avenue.
Okay.
Per tutti i giorni, molto cibo qui. Delizioso.
So this is the bread of my youth right here. We grew up on this bread.
Yeah.
We would come back home with loaves of this, bags and bags of this bread, throw it in the freezer, and then in about a month we'd come down and do it again.
Walter, you want to see the oven in the back? I've never seen it.
Wow. Walter, send me a copy of this. Oh my God.
Wow.
116.
115
Yes.
years old.
Building in the 1903.
1903.
All coal fired.
Yeah.
Crazy. Oh my God. Look at the roof. Look at the ceiling.
I know.
How far back does it go?
Oh wow.
20 by 20 square feet. 20 by
It's a
20 square
whole-
feet, yes.
Absolutely
Because a lot of times the guys, the son, he want to renovate it.
Uh-huh.
But the old man, he say no.
No. Why would you renovate when you have a beautiful place like
That's what he
this?
said, yeah.
It's a beautiful place.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah.
Well, this was like the way it used to go. It used to be a lot of them. Now there's not too many left.
No?
And we keep it like that because customer seems to be happy with the product.
Yeah.
Because the brick oven is always give you a little more flavor, a little more
Yeah.
than the other oven is. More natural, let's put it this way, So we keep it like that as long as everybody happy,
Well, I grew up on this bread. My grandfather used to bring us down here.
Wow.
So my earliest memories of home are eating bread from here. So this is Terra Nova and Arthur Avenue. So if you want to have amazing bread in New York, made from over 100-year-old ovens, this is the place to do it.
To have that experience, I mean, with the history of this place, that Terra Nova bread goes everywhere. Everybody imports Terra Nova bread, and so I'm shaking. I'm so happy. I mean, this is great that we got.
That was a neat treat.
Totally.
I think I've died and gone to heaven. How many professionals does it take?
Yeah, but no, you know what? It says empty, but it's not empty. Oh, look at you. Oh, they're saying empty. I thought it was empty. No. Oh, there you go. Uh-oh, empty drip tray and coffee breath.
Oh my God.
The drip tray is right there underneath.
Oh, that's the drip tray, yes. I want to tell them that we maintained their machine.
There you
Yay!
There you go.
And now all you gotta do is push a button. Yeah, we cleaned it for you, look. We cleaned it for you.
This place is insane.
Wow.
Beautiful. All the meat's hanging up above. Look at that. Wow.
They always do this, they always do this. This is hot sopressata. Hot. That's sweet. Yeah. This is spicy.
Little shop on the corner of Arthur Avenue. My grandfather used to come here all the time, so that would have been 50 years ago or so. Holy cow. They have everything. My God. My grandfather used to get big old hunks of that back in the day.
This is probably the gem of Arthur Ave.
This store.
This little tiny squishy store, the line goes
everything
blocks. And it's always double thick. And everybody says, excuse me, right? Look at him behind. Turn it around. Holiday.
Easter,
we come on
Easter.
Good Friday, Holy Saturday, forget it. You can't even breathe. And this is such a treat. Nobody's here. Oh my God, it's such a treat. Nobody here. Oh, look what he did. Go ahead.
How many of these do you want?
I'm going to take a few of those. I'll take some of those.
Four? How many?
Four.
Okay. That is really good.
Right? It's unbelievable. Never had anything better.
I'm eating a mystery pepper, a very large mystery pepper, and I'm going to use my hands. Oh,
Yeah?
Amazing. Isn't that
So
amazing?
good.
It's a
And you gotta
pepper,
have
but it's sun-dried and olive oil, and I've never had anything like it. Provi questo.
Love it.
Questo è delicioso.
What else, Joe?
I want a small of this. Permesso.
How many do you want?
Maybe just give me 4 or 5. 4, 5. Va bene.
When you're waiting outside
When you're
at
ready.
Easter, Felicia?
Felicia, we know
Taking the
Felicia.
money? Oh, thank you so much.
Ah,
oh,
look
wow.
at this.
Try that, Walter.
Bocconcini mozzarella, fresh
You might
mozzarella.
want, they're known for their, it's Pasadella mozzarella.
This is so much fun. You would not believe. Okay, watch out. People coming through.
Yeah.
And this is nothing, so keep that in mind. There's nobody here.
Is there anything else?
We got the bocconcini.
For Walter.
I got the
didn't get anything for
sopressata. I got the
myself.
sopressata, and I got the prosciutto. I got it.
The peppers,
Yeah,
2
he
peppers,
better have it.
4 peppers.
I got peppers. I don't know. I don't know where everything is.
They're so much fun to shop with.
they are.
They're a little weird, but fun. But they're my family. This is what it's like to walk around with an Italian family in
What's
Arthur
your
Avenue.
train? When's your
I have
train?
no idea. Look how pretty this is here. How fun is this?
That's so fun.
So fun. All right, so we're at Full Moon Pizza on Arthur Avenue because again, this is where Lori and Joe said you got to have pizza.
I think those are the rice balls. Those are huge.
Yeah, they are teeny, but they're huge.
They're huge.
They're huge. I'm going to get a place.
So she's enjoying some New York pizza. What makes a good slice of pizza?
Well, all of the things. So the crust has to be good, which you can see, nice and crisp, really good flavor. The sauce has to be good, which it is. The cheese has to be good, which it is. And then I put the red pepper flakes on it. That's real good.
Nothing fancy, no exotic mushrooms, exotic meats or anything, just sauce, crust, cheese. And when you do it right, it's amazing.
So
Yeah, I got eggplant.
You got eggplant.
Eggplant. Yeah.
Beautiful. So why do you guys come to Full Moon all the time?
We tried it. We're hooked. I think it's the best pizza. It's just yummy. I don't know. It's yummy.
Good stuff. How's the
That's
eggplant?
why we come.
That good, huh?
Is that good? We're speechless.
I am never speechless, and I'm speechless.
The dough is light.
That is beautiful. Once again, the crust, gorgeous,
The dough
right?
is very light.
Mm. Oh, the sauce is ridiculous.
And it's just, it's the thin, crusty. This is real Italian. Very, very thin, crusty, dough. You go to Italy, it's like this. It's actually thinner. The dough, it's really thin. Unless you get Sicilian, that's a whole different issue.
Right.
Big dough.
But you lived in Italy for a few years.
Yeah, yeah. We were there, and then we went together. The pizza was thin. Remember?
I think pizza's
That
about the
delicious
dough.
pizza?
It's about the dough. It's about the crust for pizza. Any pizza. Yeah.
Yeah, I
See,
agree.
to me, it's the sauce first, and then the crust has to live up to the sauce.
Well,
This sauce.
that's true too, because that tastes so unique. I think
Yeah.
that is so unique.
Have you had the margarita, Joe?
Mm-hmm.
Rory, have you had the
Do you like
margarita?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, that was amazing. The
Oh,
sauce.
no.
Would you like to try the margarita?
And you
Try
got
this
that
sauce?
heavy red sauce. Okay, maybe a bite.
Yeah. Take a bite. It's such a beautiful sauce, right? Yeah. It's almost like just having fresh tomatoes on the... You really should take a bite.
With tomato.
You really should take a bite. You really should take a bite of this. It's insanely good. It's like eating fresh tomatoes, or like almost like eating roasted tomatoes.
It's tomatoes.
Really. Mm.
Yours is more cheesy. His is more tomatoey.
You can see the tomato.
Yeah,
Campbell's
really
has
tomatoey.
Yeah.
I've had.
I'm trying to get people to take a bite of it. And they won't.
Go.
She looks like she's
We
enjoying
share
it.
everything. Everybody eats everything.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna share my pizza.
Have another bite.
So what's neat about this is you can really taste the eggplant.
Yeah, you totally can.
A lot of times when you get an eggplant pizza, you can't really taste the eggplant.
Because it's overpowered by the sauce. Or
Yeah,
by
or it's just a
cheese.
weakness to it, but this is the eggplant is cooked so beautiful.
And it goes from edge to edge of the crust.
Yeah.
See how it's all the way back? It goes all the way back, that eggplant.
See that? Look at that. That is gorgeous. That's really good.
Look at Rebecca. She's
That's really good.
That's why we come to.
Is this strange to you in video?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can imagine.
You're doing a great job though.
You don't do it.
Rebecca, the camera operator, she's a chef, she's a camera operator, and she's a barista.
Woman of many talents.
Woman of very many talents.
But I'll
And-
tell you something, Walter, I've never met anybody that's as good as you. Oh, I'm not saying that for the camera, but it's the truth. As a videographer and editor, oh my God. How many times do I tell you? I'll tell you.
Oh, I'm totally filming this. It's like 70 degrees out here.
And sunny,
Beautiful,
it's dry, no
sunny.
humidity,
Gorgeous.
perfect, empty. Our
Got
grass is
great tour guides here with Lori, Joe.
Andiamo Arthur Avenue, Vieni qui. That means come to Arthur Avenue. Come.
Thank you, Joe.
New York janky? Oh my God, this isn't even janky. And this is, and this is rough.
What avenue are you on?
So where would we go to be?
Oh my God, I can't believe Walter. You can't say anything because you're not safe around Walter because he's got a camera in his hand.